There was once a time where I liked One Direction songs. I still do. And then I told my parents that, oh, I like One Direction songs, and then they freaking bought me a One Direction poster as a birthday gift, and I'm like, wow. What animes do you like? I like a lot. Help. Help. Oh, bless you, thank you. Oh my god. Oh. One Direction only knows how to go to One Direction, true. Oh. Oh god. What is going on? What is happening? What's going on, man? I don't know. I have a sensitive nose. Oh. Hi David, lost at least 6 years with those sneeze. Why do you keep? I have sensitive nose. If I sneeze once, I can't stop sneezing. Okay, let me control myself. Oh my god, I tried to stop the sneeze, but it came out anyway. Oh, sneeze, something is going to happen in the future. Oh. Oh my god, hell. Oh god. Oh my god. Okay. It's taking unholy shots. What the frick? What do you mean? Stop sneezing! Stop sneezing! Okay, control myself. Okay. Inner peace. Oh. Okay, inner peace. Inner peace. Inner peace. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the hair dryer? Oh. Okay. Okay, better.